रामचंद्र की जय। The 10th avatar, the 10th incarnation is to come on earth. That is Sri Kalki. As per the faith, Kaliyuga is more than 3 lakhs of years that has been allocated to Kalki, and only 5,000 years has been covered by Kalki. So it is the first charan or step of Kali Yuga. More years are to be covered. But about this, Bhavishya Puran, Kalki Puran and other scriptures, they have mentioned about the coming of Sri Kalki, the 10th avatar or the last avatar of Lord Vishnu. And it has also been told that Kalki is Purna Brahma, he is 100% absolute. About the avatar or incarnation, it has also been told in Gita, in 4th chapter of Gita, that the avatar who comes has two aims, that is to kill the Vandals and to protect the Sadhu, Santha, the noble souls. So as to the birth of Kalki, the 10th and the final avatar, there are difference of opinion. In Bhavishya Malika of Odisha, it has been told that Kalki will manifest in a Brahmin family. The father of Kalki is Vishnu Yash and the mother is Sumati. And the Kalki is to take birth in some part of Jajpur of Odisha. And secondly, it has been interpreted that Kalki will take birth in the land of Shambhal in Uttar Pradesh. And the name of the village, Kamboj, and the place of the village, the unknown village, is in between Ganga and Ram Ganga. The place also has been recorded. We cannot ignore Srimad Bhagavatam, where it has also been recorded. So, prominently discussed about Kalki. When Kalki comes, Lord Shiva will give him the sword and the horse on which he will ride. The horse, the name of the horse is Devadatta, a white horse. So, along with the sword and the horse Devadatta, Kalki will make mass devastation, killing the Vandals, the corruption. In the way, the 7 noble human beings, Ashwatthama, Balir, Hanumanscha, Vibhishana, Kripa, Parashuramascha, Saptaita, Chirajivina. The Chiranjeevis, those 7 Mahapurusha will come and they will support Kalki. in his work of destruction and saving the noble souls. This has been clearly mentioned in Srimad Bhagavatam. And some people are also in opinion that Shambhal is the place in Himalaya. हिमालय के गोद में जो संभल और संभाला और सिद्धाश्रम होता है, जहाँ सैकड़ों वर्ष का साधु रहते हैं, उनमें से आविर्भूत होंगे. So this is the concept of the birth of Sri Kalki. And the aim of Kalki is to make a devastation or destruction of corruption and anti-sources. So, the 10th avatar of Kalki, or the final avatar, the last avatar, to build Satya Yuga. The birth of Kalki, as the birth of Krishna, the Lord Krishna, Kali Yuga came. So after the advent of Sri Kalki, the last avatar, the 10th avatar, the Kali Yuga has the end and Satya Yuga will approach. So, Ram Bhadracharya, Jagat Guru Ram Bhadracharya, the blind saint, he has made a forecast that Kalki, when he will come in the month of Kartik, in the month of Vaishak, in Shukla Paksha and in Dwadashi, in the month of Vaishak, in the light fortnight, the 12th day of light fortnight, in Kartik, Shukla Paksha, Dwadashi, Kalki will come. So, till now, this is the forecast, or this has been recorded in our religious scriptures about the advent of Kalki and destruction of Kali. Siyama Ramchandra ki jai.